Alright, so this is the third and final video of 6.7. We're modeling with exponential and logarithmic functions. In this video, we're specifically just finding the logarithmic model. We are going to use our calculator to do that. Okay, so that ln/reg right there, logarithmic, ln, remember, is the natural log. Okay, so the atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing altitude. At sea level, the average air pressure is 1 atmosphere, which is 1.033227 kilograms per square centimeter. The table shows the pressure in atmospheres at selected altitudes in kilometers. So we want to use our graphing calculator to find the logarithmic model, and it even tells us that it'll be in this form, okay, that represents the data. Estimate the altitude when the pressure is 0.75. So we're going to estimate that after we find the model. So we go to the calculator. We're going to push the stat button. Oops, you can see it, the stat button. Edit. Okay, now we need to change L1s to my X values, which are the air pressure. Okay, so I need to scroll over here to air pressure. I have 1.55. Whoops, that was not right. Sorry, 1.55, 0.25, 0.12, 0.06, and 0.02. I had an extra term, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, L2 are the altitudes here. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Again, I end up with the extra data from something previous. I deleted it. So now, notice my columns are the same length. I have all this information entered in. So I wanted to calculate my logarithmic model. So I'm going to push stat, calculate, and we want natural log regression, which is ln/reg. Okay, and I have to enter all the way through until I get to this screen. Now this tells me I have y equals a plus b to the natural log of x. Okay, and says a is 0.86 and b is negative 6.4, and I have to round that to a 5. And I don't care about those r's. Alright, so I can plug it into this. Now, what it asks for, instead of x and y, okay, I'm going to have h and p. Okay, it shows me that. But a and b still are these, okay? So when I write my equation, I have h equals a 0.86 plus b, which is negative 6.45, times the natural log, and instead of x, we're going to put p. Now, this has a plus minus. That looks kind of sloppy, so we're going to just make that subtraction. Minus 6.45 natural log of p. All right. So that's the first thing I wanted. That was this logarithmic model. Has a log in it right there. Okay. Now we're going to estimate the altitude when the pressure is 0.75 atmosphere. So that means in place of the p here, I'm going to put 0.75. So h is going to be 0.86 minus 6.45 natural log of 0.75. And I'm going to just type that in my calculator the way I have it written. And I'm going to scoot things over so you can see it. Here we go. So 0.86 minus 6.45 natural log of 0.75. Enter. Okay. And then I'm just going to abbreviate, or estimate, I'm sorry, to a 0.7. Okay. And this is kilometers. All right. So now you can finish the 6.7 practice and get that submitted into Big Ideas and on Canvas.